walked out to this.
You're welcome.
Hey, say you sleep, leave me come fruit shit. Never pay for me clothes like a Drew Fits. Late night drive, tell me put the race,
Woo! Good morning, guys. We are on 2 hours of sleep, and we need Bikini Bean.
If you're ever in AZ, stop at Bikini Beans. You'll enjoy. What are we doing today?
We got a lot of car events today. It is Friday here in Arizona, and as you guys can tell, we are in the Bentley, and it is a beautiful day for car stuff.
Nice and sunny.
Nice and sunny. We got AZ Track Stars hosting the car meet. There might be a car cruise later on tonight, and then also the big event that is happening all weekend is Street Car Takeover.
Check in, guys. You don't want to miss it.
We got two different types of people.
AC seats. AC. Heated seats. Heat on. Sir, it is. Hello? You want to explain yourself? What's going on?
Why I have my heat on and you have AC on?
Yeah. What's going on?
Well, you clearly need to cut weight, and I need to gain weight.
Oh. Oh, that's... We're gonna start talking about LBs, huh? Camera's rolling. Where's it at? Oh, yeah. What was that about? Nah, we're not fast enough. Do a pull! Are you okay? It's gonna be hey.
I told you.
Come on, come on. Let's go check it out. Oh my god. Thank you. This is good.
Kalani's scared.
Escalade V?
Bro, I'm about to cry.
I know, I gotta. Where do I start?
I'm actually about to cry. Revolto, STO, Aventador, Huracan,
The ZR1, the new one? Hello?
Excuse me? Nah, this is
This is crazy. Like, can we start walking, please? Like, alright, I'm gonna start. Yes. We just look at every car. We can just look at every single car. STO? I don't know what to do with my hands. Hey, we gotta start somewhere. I feel like this is the best line to start with. I need to look in some of these cars. Like, this is... Sold. These are beautiful.
Kalani's not okay.
No, I know he does. He's hey, I need your help. Get over here. I need you to talk about these cars. McLaren.
Hey, do you know how much money is in here?
Yeah, I work
Alright,
So the spec on this G80 is actually insane. The two-tone with the red interior. Just the color alone. Yeah, they obviously have like 4 people in here.
Yeah, there's no way. I would, so much anxiety. No way, right? Like,
Individual 2023 comp. Just the color alone. $10,000 upgrade, guys.
all right, let me get out of here.
You guys
You guys, yeah.
Car's so close.
Like this is, that is insane.
yeah.
Hello?
Hey,
Yeah.
hey,
No, literally.
hey, this is how close I am to losing it in here.
We got Ferrari on Ferrari crime.
This is insane.
We saw
Crazy.
what Ferrari was on the road?
F12, I think it was.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
No, no, too. Hey, Escalade V though? That's fire. I have yet to really actually see one. I wonder what it looks like inside. Probably so pretty.
No, it's
Just a digital dash.
over at my jeweler, Hoffman and Proud, they do car shows. Every Saturday. That's where I get my
Yeah. I've driven a couple of the other doors in the day, and they just like.
No.
Hey, no way this is real, guys, right? This Shelby Cobra. What? Red NSX?
What were you gonna say?
Ferrari? Like, hello? Man, this is just insane in here.
Take pictures of every single car, but
Yeah, I don't know how, what.
I bought a car. So
Yeah?
I'll show you the car I bought.
Yeah, okay, alright. Yeah, this ZR1 is sick though. I do like the ZR1. Porsche, what is it, SF90?
Electric?
Yeah,
Or a hybrid?
yeah.
Nah, it's
Oh,
wheels for me. Like,
oh,
don't know.
yeah, yeah.
thought it
This
was
thing
nice.
is clean.
Yeah.
I agree.
I bought it.
I'm still choosing the purple Lamborghini.
I bought it. It says sold. I just need a marker. I'll write my name on that. No?
I think I'm still gonna
So
choose
actually
the purple
it's
Lambo.
The go-kart.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, wait a minute.
That's a go kart.
Wait, what?
That white car's a go kart.
Yeah, it's a G-Wagon go-kart.
Oh, it is. That's crazy.
So we actually came here to buy not that G wagon, but this G wagon.
I can't believe this is go.
That's crazy. Is it really?
And it,
Go-kart's the car.
I went into our shop and I was just like, one day, and I was like, wait, what the fuck is
That's a
this?
car. That's not a
Yeah, that's.
I don't know who motor this one. I do know that it's an LS and it's twin turbo, and I want it. It's beautiful.
Wait, of course it's got a Holly, right? What? Wow, this thing's crazy. What? Oh my!
Yeah.
Do you see the three wheelers, bro?
Nah, I'm sorry. I was looking at this. I was looking at this.
Wow.
Beautiful.
No, look, yeah. All right, guys. So this is what we're really buying because this is the only thing we can afford.
Oh my god.
The Rari.
Those are electric three-wheelers? Yeah.
Yeah, that thing probably scoots.
probably fast,
Yeah,
huh?
they probably scoot.
Yeah. That's not part of the 30.
Yeah, it's not part of it.
That's just here.
All right, guys. So we're pulling the purple Urus and the Huracan together. Like, there's just, that combo would go crazy.
Well, that's like what
Are they the
Callie
same
has.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, literally. What do we got back here? Bronco vintage, like, bro, the Brabus with the carbon. Oh my
The Cullen? This is just wild, bro.
What did he say? He said. What did he say?
He said turn it
What?
on.
He said what?
I'm scared. Are we gonna record
Are
this?
you ready?
Hold on, I want to record this.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm not ready.
Are you excited? Is your dream come true?
You can die in peace now.
You okay, Kalani?
Any final thoughts? We good?
He can die, please. He's.
Are these carbon fiber door cards? Like,
Yeah, race car.
Oh my god. You want to talk about it? I'm kind of shaking, honestly.
I'm gonna cry. It's a BMW.
Hey, these ones actually work too. That's how you open the door?
Yeah, it's a race car.
Solid. Okay.
Don't hit the Aventador.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll try not to hit the Huracan.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Walk out to just more cars. Hey, we love it here. LAC, shout out to you.
Arizona's different, guys. Arizona is. I honestly want to end it already.
Hey, it's time to work harder.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Us. As in not just me and Taylor, but you guys at home. We're gonna do this. 2026 is gonna be our year, guys. Oh my god! Yes! Where the fuck is my phone, Keisha?
Truck of wheel lights.
Hi.
Do you have your wristbands?
No, we were gonna buy him at the gate.
You're gonna need to go to gate 3 first. That's where they have all the credentials.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You too, thank you.
Wristbands.
Yeah, we got wristbands. Hey, you guys gotta get a wristband if you're trying to ride this car in this car.
Yeah.
We made it, guys.
We made it.
We definitely made it. Yeah.
It's kind of cold.
It's a little chilly.
What's going on?
Freezing.
God damn.
Your wristbands.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
It's a Lambo.
Oh my god!
You can't see it. They can't see it. But there's a Lambo. There's a Lambo. Hey, you got. Wait up. Hold on.
If you guys follow Gabe Farrell, you guys know that his R8 caught on fire on the freeway on the way to this event.
Another Z car rolling in.
That's crazy.
Izzy on the left side.
I saw this.
Tom on the right side.
The melted down.
No way.
That's so sad.
I don't know. Is he
The
playing
thumbnail for
muscle?
his video is gonna make us crazy.
This is sad.
Changed the way I would bet.
This is so sad. And then, supers with parachutes out here. It's normal.
Make sure you
Hey.
what's on all your safety gear.
Fox body. Sheesh. You okay?
Just a parachute, you know, nothing
Oh yeah.
crazy.
Oh yeah.
And gold beadlocks.
Gold beatbox.
Let's
get a light on that.
Solid.
Hey, parachutes and beatbox.
Yeah.
About everyone here. Beatbox.
I love it.
What do we got done to the lowered Chevy over here?
Oh yeah.
And he just might hang one off to the little barbers over here. You never know.
Kirky seats.
Turkey seats?
I was looking for a fender exit or
No,
something.
I was looking for some type of accident. He said I'm a sleeper.
Sheesh. Hey, nice truck, man.
Nice job.
Nice try.
Hey, this is gonna be crazy for tomorrow. They got the whole gang. Oh. Hey. B58 King, baby. Solid. Wow. Hey, that's the fastest Nissan hardbody I've ever seen.
It's kind of short.
Here we go.
Gabe Sinelli.
It's pretty, but it's kind of
It's
Hey.
beautiful.
Fun fact about Gabe Sinelli, okay? It was in Washington before he got it. So if we look at the back of it, it's already got a Washington plate on it. It's got a 2,000 peak starlight ceiling. It's got 40 rocker lights, I want to say. And he's got a wicked fab kit on it. It's like a 24 by 14, I think the wheels are, 25.
Solid.
No, it's a beautiful truck.
This is solid.
But again, that
Starting with the cars we're gonna go look at. Cop cars.
Small tire chip draw at the trailer. Come on down.
Would you see a 240 on with slicks on it? So tomorrow we're gonna be starting from back there, and they're gonna be doing roll racing. So tonight it's called like the street racing event. So they start down here with like no prep. There's a little bit of prep, but nothing like the actual start of a drag strip. But come back down here and show you guys what they're doing. They're doing a burnout right now.
Mustang versus the Plaid, right? So the Plaid didn't really take off from the start. He was afraid the Mustang was going to crash into him, so he did like a slow start off and then he did the roll.
He looks the part. No, literally. We found out that ain't always the deal, though.
No, you're right.
I love me a Supra, though.
Hey, one in the white car.
What are you recording?
I'm like confused. As you guys can tell, we are not at the car event anymore, and it is nighttime. So it's time for us to have fun, and time for you guys, I don't know, whatever you guys want to do, honestly. What? Where? Where are we going, Laurel?
I don't know.
Okay. Anyways, guys, like we always say here at File 5,
It's not just content, it's our lifestyle.
it's a lifestyle, baby. We'll see you guys on the next video.